That has got to be my absolute favorite song of theirs. That's Gunboat Diplomats right there. See, I have to throw in the British accent because it just sounds so flocking amazing. Original Sin, guys. Oh my God. Sorry. I get so like emotional, not like crying like a baby cry, but I just get like so flocking happy in here. You should see me. I'm like flapping my wings, even though I don't have any. Those guys are so talented. If you have not stopped your world, stop spinning your planet, go over and listen to their music. They've got like, their songs are just out of this world, okay? Totally different on one song and then it's different on another. God, I love them. Sorry, but that is like their new one. And they just send it to me and I'm just like, oh my God, Squeal. Original Sin by the Gunboat Diplomats. It sounds better and it's easier for me to say if I throw the accent in there. Doesn't it just sound lovely? Love them. Vintage Pop. Find them on Facebook, World Wide Web, and Bandcamp. Do it. Love them, love them, love them. Go to like some kind of tasting thingamadoodles, or you do like some wine tasting pairing thingies, and they give you like the sorbet deals, and you're like, here, taste this so you can cleanse your palate, so then you can taste the next thing better than shoving all kinds of stuff in your mouth and you can't taste anything. Well, that's what those little songs, these little bits that I'm throwing in there, just to kind of ease the ear candy for the next song. I know I'm genius. I know. I know. Anyway, I have the next artist. Actually, they're a band. Artist, band, whatever. They're flocking amazing. Blackwater Lake out of Mesa, Arizona. Their songs are quite impeccable. Dirty Livin' and Heaven in the Moonlight. You can get them, of course, on Facebook, SoundCloud, and they are also known as, a.k.a. Rising... No, my bad. I can't even read my own handwriting. Rise Again Southern Rock. So don't look for them on Facebook as Blackwater Lake. And I'm just trying to help y'all out because you know me. I don't know my time zones. I'm very geographically not smart. So I'm just trying to help y'all out. or just look them up and then, click link here, or just go to my Facebook page. Here you go. Here's the shortcut. Go to my Facebook page, see how I'm tagging them, and just follow along. Follow the bouncing ball as the words go. Here's their song, Dirty Living.
I'm just a poor boy, illegitimate son of the South. Been white trash my whole life, wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. Mama never knew my daddy, she never even got his name. I'm the only mistake she ever made, well at least that's what she claims. This life is dirty living, and I don't wanna live it no more. Wanna take what's left of the she might hide and rip it out from its core. I'm tired of being the man that everybody talks about. This life is a dirty living, and it's one I can do without. Misunderstood, probably worse than I seem to be. Never liked doing what I was told, a reject of society. But there comes a time in every man's life you gotta walk in someone else's shoes. You gotta be better off than me, so we ain't got a thing to lose. This life is dirty living, and I don't wanna live it no more. Wanna take what's left of the she might hide and rip it out from its core. Tired of being the man that everybody talks about. This life is a dirty living, and it's one I could do without. I'm just a poor boy, illegitimate son of the South. I've been white trash my whole life, no silver spoon in my mouth. Mama never knew my daddy, she never got his name. I'm the only mistake she ever made, well, at least that's what she claims. This life is a dirty living, and I don't wanna live it no more. Wanna take what's left of the she might hide and rip it out from its core. I'm tired of being the man that everybody talks about. This life is a dirty living, and it's what I can do without. This life is a dirty living, I don't need this dirty living. No, I don't want this dirty living no more.
Okay. Now, all you Bon Jovi fans out there, can you just not believe that? That was amazeballs. I just had to stop and just say that.
Sometimes I don't know us anymore. Somehow you forget who we were before. You say it's time to move on, and one day we'll see it's for the best. Then we're leaning for our last goodbye. It happens again. Got a heartbreak, handshake, embrace, promise dripping off of my tongue. Your lipstick burning my fingertips, telling me that we're done. These shadows, suddenly my mind blows. Why do we even fight before everything is gone? We find heaven in the moonlight. Heaven in the moonlight. It's hard to wear a smile when there's nobody else around. We can't seem to talk without tearing each other down. Feels like the end of the road, and we better call it a day. Till we lean in for one more goodbye. It happens again. Got a heartbreak, handshake, embrace, promise dripping off of my tongue. Your lipstick burning my fingertips, telling me that we're done. These shadows, suddenly my mind blows. Why do we even fight before everything is gone? We find heaven in the moonlight. I got the stars in the sky, you got them in your eyes, and we feel two hearts start to align. And if I'm doing to you what you're doing to me, this has gotta be some kind of sign. Got a heartbreak, handshake, embrace, promise dripping off of my tongue. Your lipstick burning my fingertips, telling me that we're done. These shadows, suddenly my mind blows. Why do we even fight before everything is gone?